Woo! Oh, I got stabbed. Oh, Lord. Help me, Jesus. Yep. It finally happened. What's good? What's going on, man? It's your boy B, and we back in this mode now vid, man. I end up fumbling the iPhone 17 Pro Max. As you guys see on the camera, itself has been smashed. This saved me the macaronis. But I highly recommend that you guys invest into a camera lens guard, because if you don't, your camera can end up shattered just like this. The case gonna only do but so much. It gonna protect you from the dents, the damages and stuff like that, scrapes, but it cannot protect that camera in the back if you happen so to drop your phone on like a rocky surface, you know what I mean? But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys the damage. Right now I'm currently rocking the OtterBox Defender Pro series here. As you guys see, man, I'm gonna give you guys a closer look of the damage so far. What I can tell is that the back of the case has minor scrapes on the plastic piece here. As you guys see here, this phone did end up falling from around the chest area. If you guys don't know, I'm around like 6'1", so it fell from like the mid chest area out my phone. I tried to catch it, couldn't catch it, you know what I'm saying? Terrible. The back of the phone took the most damage. The screen protector did not get cracked whatsoever by Spigen. So again, links will be down below in the description if you guys want to grab those. The phone case, what I did notice is it's a bit wiggly at the top, not so much to where like it's annoying, like, oh yeah, it's a big deal for me, but there is a noticeable wiggle at the top. We're gonna break this case apart and we're gonna be putting back on the XT version of the OtterBox Defender. I left this on purposely for this video so you guys can see the real damage, man, that it could have caused on the camera lens itself. All right, so let's take this case off real quick for the first time. So we're gonna see the real damage here, man. Again, this OtterBox Defender Pro series case definitely saved my phone from all the extra dents and dings it could have gotten from this fall. Super glad I had a case on for that. Now, this is one of those 3-piece cases that I mentioned earlier in the past, man. So you're gonna have your rubber here. I also got to unbuckle these clips here. There's a couple of them. There's no way I just got cut. So y'all guys be extra. I'm going through pain trying to show y'all this. And we are leaking. See, look, y'all thought I was bush. We bleeding over this one. You know what I'm saying? Real blood, sweat, and tears. There she go. It's coming up. There she go. Woo! Here you guys go, man. If this wasn't on, I'm unsure if my camera would still be in the condition that it is in right now. Nothing's wrong with it. Perfect condition still. Camera still works fairly well. As you guys see, camera still works perfectly fine. There's no real damage to the camera lens itself. Hopefully you guys got a better insight on why you should invest into like a case and as well as these camera lens here, because it can definitely save you a couple of $100, even time from you shipping your phone out, trying to get it repaired, or getting a new phone, man. So highly recommend that you guys invest into a case. Doesn't have to necessarily be OtterBox, but if you do want to invest into OtterBox, they definitely have me covered. All links will be down below in the description. And again, this right here is definitely a huge recommendation as well. Shout out to all these brands for allowing them to give us the max protection for our phones here, especially for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. They definitely got me covered for my situation. Hopefully we don't have no more hiccups, no more fumbles, you know what I'm saying? Y'all pray for me, all right? Pray for me. We out here dropping phones and shit like this, you know what I'm saying? I'm unsure. But anyways, guys, man, get in the comments, let me know your thoughts and opinions below, man. Are you considered about getting a camera lens guard now that you see that is super useful in most of the drop test situations? Let me know in the comments, especially the case. I know some of y'all, I know most people rock cases, but the camera guard lens, I don't really see too many people rocking that. And it's not compatible with all cases, especially for those cases that kind of cover the backside of the phone here. So you got to be mindful of that. If you got one of the cases that has like that big opening right here, then it definitely will fit. But again, be mindful of that. So make sure you got an open back case for the camera side here if you decide to proceed to get a camera lens guard. If not, there are some alternative options as well. Like I said, there are some options to where it only covers up the small lens guard and that's it. It doesn't cover up the whole back end of the phone, so that might suit you better. But anyways, man, again, appreciate the love, support as always. If you guys find this video useful, definitely hit the like button, subscribe, turn all the notifications on so you don't miss any more bangers. Catch y'all next video. Peace.